My theory is that, well, a closing agent cannot close a person in the same way a human person does, right? They're just not going to be able to take the same approach. They're going to have a different approach. So I use the term that they're going to have to engineer the close. They're going to have to use a process to engineer that. And we think that there are some tactics that we can use to do that, because human behavior does have patterns. There's patterns that we can follow. There's different things that we can do. And so we're looking at different studies. We've even been digging into studies from like the 1960s, because they did a lot of psychological studies back then. And we're trying to pull from stuff like this and see if, well, can we have an agent engineer the cell? Can it have a process and a way to get someone there? Because, like I said, they're not going to, it's not going to be the same way that a person will react. It's just going to have to be different. It is possible. I think that we can create these agents that do this, and what'll happen is over. And now, obviously, there's another thing too. Is in some situations people are offended, but in some instance, people are more willing to talk to an AI agent because they can't. Well, what are they going to do? They can't really get mad at an AI agent.